Hello guys, here's a guide on how to use Trello for testing. First, set up your Trello account and project board. Head to Trello.com and sign up for a free account. Create a new board specifically for your testing tasks. Give it a clear name like Software Testing 2025 so it's easy to identify. Next, create workflow lists for testing phases. Add lists to outline your testing process. Common stages include to-do lists, tests that need to be executed, the in-progress list, which contains tests that are currently running, the block list, which contains tests encountering issues or blockers, and the done list for tests that are completed. Then add cards to represent each test case. Each card should act as an individual test case. Be sure to include a clear title of the test, a description with all necessary instructions, a checklist to break down steps or subtasks, a due date to keep track of deadlines, and labels to group by test type, like functional, regression, or UI. Assign members and collaborate in testing. Invite your testing team and assign them to specific test case cards. Use the comments section to share updates, bug findings, or any changes during the process. Automate repetitive tasks with Butler. Boost productivity by using Trello's Butler automation feature. Set it to send reminders for due dates or automatically move completed cards to the done list, saving you manual effort. Track progress and archive finished tests. Move test cards through the list as they advance in the workflow. Once completed, archive them to clean up the board while keeping a record of past activity. Compliance and legal notes. This tutorial is a genuine educational guide to using Trello's built-in tools. It follows YouTube's terms and avoids the use of unauthorized or copyrighted material. Trello is owned by Atlassian, and this video is not affiliated with or endorsed by them. All info here is presented under fair use for instructional purposes. And that would be all for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.